Hi there, here's the newly launched Oppo K10. But haven't we already reviewed this phone before? Yes, but this one comes with 5G. Also, this one comes with a completely new design with tons of other upgrades. So, without further ado, let's quickly unbox it and see if this Oppo K10 5G is a worthy upgrade or not. Let's begin. So here's the retail packaging of the Oppo K10 5G. K written in bold. Now this is an 8GB, 128GB storage variant. Here are some manufacturing details and the MRP of 25,999. First thing right on the top is the SIM ejector pin, some paperwork and a TPU clear case with a really nice quality. Then the phone itself, a USB-C charging cable and a 33-watt super walk charger. Alright, let's have a quick look at the phone. Now this is an ocean blue color and the back of this phone is made of plastic, has this nice shiny effect to it, which looks really nice. The best part is that it doesn't attract any fingerprints and smudges. Then on the top are dual cameras, 48 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots. Then we also get dual flash for better night pictures. Now the biggest change to the K10 5G are the flat sides, which are really thin, 7.99mm to be exact, and the phone weighs just 190 grams. That also helps it provide a really good grip in your hand. On the right is the power button that also doubles as a fingerprint scanner, really fast and responsive. Works very well with both hands. On the top is the secondary noise cancelling microphone. At the bottom is the headphone jack, a microphone, USB-C port and a speaker. On the left are the volume rocker buttons and a hybrid SIM tray that can house 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card to expand the storage. Now one thing I can vouch for is that the Oppo K10 5G looks and feels very premium. Then on the front is a 6.5-inch LCD display with an HD Plus resolution. It supports 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, producing nice and vivid images. The display gets bright enough indoors and equally decent outdoors. On the top is a teardrop notch housing the 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor. The animations are quite smooth thanks to the 90 Hz refresh rate. There is an option in the settings to switch it to standard 60 Hz. It helps improve your battery life a little. But my suggestion is stick to 90 Hz. The trade-off is minimal and totally worth it. Now even though this is an HD Plus display, the movie watching experience is amazing. It's clear, it's bright and very colorful. Thanks to Widevine L1 certification, it will play videos at full resolution. Adding to this experience are the dual speakers. The earpiece on the top also doubles as a secondary speaker, providing loud and clear audio. Trust me, 2 speakers make a huge difference. Coming to the UI, the Oppo K10 5G is running the ColorOS 12.1 over Android 12. The user experience is pretty straightforward and the UI is very responsive. But the only downside is it's infested with countless bloatware apps. There's Moj app, there's Josh, there's Snapchat, HeyFun. It's crazy. Luckily, you can delete whatever you don't need. Also, the ColorOS has some really nice tweaks and features that work very well, like the smart sidebar, which you can slide from the home screen to quickly take a screenshot or launch apps. Then there's an option which you can enable to lift the phone to your ear and it will automatically answer the call. And my favorite, flip the phone to mute an incoming call. Really handy features. Coming to the performance. So it's powered by a 6nm MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G chipset. It comes with 7 5G band supports and you can see the list here. I can easily say it's future ready when 5G arrives in India. Then 8GB RAM with virtual RAM that can be further expanded from 2GB, 3GB to 5GB. And that really helps during multitasking and keeping the most often used apps still in memory. We also ran the Antutu benchmark and we got about 3,65,000, which is exactly what we would expect from this chipset. Coming to gaming. Now you can go to the performance mode and turn on Pro Gaming mode. We played BGMI and the overall experience was really good. The graphics settings went up to smooth and ultra, providing very smooth animations. Didn't experience any lag or jitter. It had a very stable performance, I'd say. Coming to the battery. So it comes with a 5000 mAh battery which easily would last you a day, even a day and a half with medium use. We get a 33 watt super walk charger and it charges the phone from 0 to 100% in about 70 minutes, which is really good for a phone in this segment. Now, coming to the cameras. Now here are some pictures taken from the 48 megapixel rear camera. Good color reproduction, images are crisp with decent dynamic range. Here are some more samples. Then we can also record full HD videos. Now obviously it won't be very stable since it lacks EIS or OIS, but still it gets the job done. Quite clear. Here are some 8 megapixel selfie shots. Color and skin tones are quite accurate. Images are bright and very clear. Now the Oppo K10 5G ticks all that we look for in a budget 5G phone. It's got a good camera, it's got excellent build and design, it's got impressive performance. Probably the only downer is that HD Plus display, but then it's still pretty good and helps with better battery life too. We don't have the price and availability details at the time of making this video, but you can find all that including the purchase links in the description. You should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.